Here we have a trapezium, and we're told the position vector of A relative to the origin is 12i 4j. We're told the position vector of C relative to the origin is 18i minus 21j. We're told that CB is parallel to OA, so in the same direction, and we're told that it's twice as big. So twice as big as the 12, 4 will be 24, 8. We are now told that the point D lies on AC, such that A to D to C is the ratio 1 to 2. So A to D is 1 part, D to C is 2 parts. So that is telling me that A to D is 1/3 of A to C. Right, I'm going to work out what A to C is then. A to C is going to be the position vector of C, which is 18 minus 21. Take away the position vector of A, which is 12, 4. So that's going to be 6 minus 25. That's A to C. A to D then is 1/3 of that. One third of the 6 is 2. 1/3 of the minus 25 is minus 25 over 3. Now we know what A to D is, I can work out what the position vector of D is, because I can say that O to D is the same thing as O to A plus A to D. O to A, we know that's 12, 4. A to D, we just worked out. So therefore, the position vector of D is 14 minus 13 over 3. We need to write it in terms of I and j, so I'll write it as 14i minus 13 over 3j. Right, part B. We need to show that ODB, we need to show that they are collinear, so lie on the same straight line. And I need to find the ratio of O to D to D to B. So, O to D, the vector from O to D, we already know what that is. We worked that out in part A. So now I'm going to work out what D to B is. And if they are collinear, it should be parallel to O to D, so a multiple of O to D. So let's check. D to B. To get D to B, I can go from D to C plus C to B. Now the D to C, this vector here, we know that's 2/3 of the A to C vector. And we worked out what A to C was previously. So 2/3 of 6 minus 25. And we know that the C to B vector is 24, 8. So 2/3 of the 6 is 4. 2/3 of the minus 25 is minus minus 50 over 3. So we find that the vector D to B is 28 minus 26 over 3. So, this is D to B. And O to D, we worked out before, as 14 minus 13 over 3. And comparing, this is twice as big as this. So I can say D to B equals 2O to D. Therefore, they're parallel. And share point D, which means they must be a straight line, which means they must be collinear. And then for the ratio of OD to DB, we've just said that the D to B is twice as big as the O to D. So the ratio is 1 to 2.